Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you to my channel. Today's video is intended for those students who are pursuing their ACCS FM paper, Financial Management paper, which was earlier termed as F9. Now in today's video, we will discuss about the syllabus of Financial Management paper and the examination format. First, we will move on to the syllabus. So what is the purpose of Financial Management paper? Financial Management paper is intended to provide the requisite knowledge and skills required to manage the finance function in an organization. So basically it is about the roles played by a finance manager in an organization. The syllabus is as follows. First portion details or describes the roles played by a finance manager, that is the finance function in an organization. Now the subsequent portions describes these roles in detail, named as working capital management, business finance, investment appraisal, business valuation, and risk management. So that's the syllabus of Financial Management paper in a nutshell. We will cover each of these portions in our subsequent lecture. So shall we move on to the exam format? ACCA's Financial Management paper exam consists of 3 sections, namely A, B, and C. Section A consists of 15 objective type questions of 2 marks each, and the total marks allocated is 30 marks to this section. Now section B consists of 3 scenarios. Each of these scenarios consists of 5 objective type questions with 2 marks each. So the total mark allocated to section B is 5 into 2, 10 into 3 scenarios. That is a total of 30 marks. Now the most important section is section C, which consists of 2 constructive response questions, which are very detailed in nature. 2 questions will be there, each carries 20 marks, and you will be expected to write a lot of arithmetic calculations might be involved, decision making activities or scenarios will be involved, so you can expect anything there. Believe me guys, ACCA's F9 paper, or FM paper rather, that is the Financial Management paper, is one of the most interesting papers of ACCA studies, and it is your first step in becoming the finance manager in an organization. So don't wait and don't waste your time. Grab this opportunity and pass out paper with flying colors. That's the end of today's video, and in subsequent videos we will cover each of these finance functions in detail. So thank you all for visiting my channel. For more videos, subscribe my channel and like my videos. And if you have any comments, post in the below comment section. I will be happy to come back to you at the earliest.